Compare and contrast theories and trends. The three theories, cultural history theory, cooperative learning theory, and problem-based learning theory, all came from constructivism. And we're going to look at how the culture, society, politics, and economics all affect these theories. Comparing them, you can see that the highlighted words that they all have in common. They all have problem-based learning. They're focused on collaboration, social interaction, student-centered, small groups, getting together, working these things out. So this comes from the constructivism aspect. Here you're looking at problem-based learning, collaborative learning, and cultural, the contrasting of the effect. Each one of these is a modern learning theory, but collaborative learning theory, it wants to focus on increasing test scores. The problem-based learning theory wants to emphasize 21st century skills, and cultural history theory relies on that internalization process of the student and also the acquisition of tools. Relevance today, how can these events look at? Well, these three learning theories are going to be some learning theories of the future because they are very immersed in collaborating, small groups, interactions, investigating, discovery, student-centered, and that's what the 21st century learning skills is hoping for. The educational system from years ago or traditional was your responsibility were just your stakeholders and they focused on the outcomes. Your new traditional is your education system as part of a larger ecosystem. The responsibilities are not just the stakeholders, their parents, employers, communities, teachers, students. And they want to focus on the continuous improvement and feedback and that the learning experience give intrinsic motivation.